to start learning a new number this week, but before we do that, let's go over the numbers that we've learned so far. What is this number? 12. And this one is 0. And what is that one? 4. And how about this? 2. What is this number? 6. 1. 5. 3. 8. 10. 7. 9. 11. All right, now when we're counting, do we say 12, 3, 1, 4, 9? Is that how we count? No, how would we count? We'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You know what comes next? 13. This is the number 13. Okay, 1 and a 3. That's the number 13. That's the number we're going to be working with this week. Now let's look at these pretty flowers. See if you can count them with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay? So this is the number 13. So this is the number we're going to work with this week, okay? Whenever we see a 1 and a 3 together, what number is it? 13. So that's the number we're going to work with this week, okay? I'm going to post this right over there. And here on this paper, we have the number 13. So on the top, we have some horns, and we're going to color the horns as we count them, okay? So we're going to look at each one. Remember, we're going to do one at a time. Let's count them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, now remember, when we're counting big numbers like this, you want to make sure you're pointing to one object at a time, okay? And you want to go from left to right, from top to bottom, okay? If you start jumping around like this, it makes it really hard to count. So let's do our 13 horns together. Take whatever color you would like, okay? Any color you want to make them. And we're going to count and we're going to color one at a time. Count while we're coloring, okay? Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see what we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. What should this be? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's go back and see what we have so far. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number comes next? This will be 10. 11. 12. And what number comes after 12? 13. Okay, so we have 13 horns. 13 horns, and here we have the number 13. Remember, the 13 is a 1 and a 3. And then we can go back and take whatever color you want, and we're going to color in the number 13. Thirteen is a 1 and a 3. Okay, so here's the number 13. You can make these any color you want to make them. Okay, remember the 13 is a 1 and a 3. Let's count our horns one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And what is this number? 13. Good job.